Martensite is one of the is a name of the name of the microstructure. Is one of the as we said, it is one of the hardest microstructure that is providing in this field. Okay, once the martensite is formed, we cannot making a crack in the type of microstructure is a little bit difficult. Okay, so the other types of the factor affecting hardness is that if we increase the carbon content, the carbon we all know carbon is one of the hardened material. C60, it's a direct, it's the most hardened part. Okay, it's the most hardened material in the earth. So carbon, if we add carbon to any material, it will harden. Okay, so the carbon content can increase the hardness. Quenching rate, faster the cooling, greater hardness means faster the cooling. Means if you are taking the material is around 1000 degrees Celsius, while it is in a soaking condition, it is in 1000 degrees Celsius. We have to suddenly bring down the temperature from 1000 to 30. What are we going to do? Instant cooling. Instant quenching means rapid quenching. If you are using cold water, okay, suddenly the temperature from 800 degrees Celsius it will come to around 80 degrees or 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, this type of rapid cooling will increase the hardness of the material. Another thing is that if the size is increased, it increases the hardness. Means that the bigger the material, if the material is somewhat bigger in size, means that there will be improper heat distribution, there will be improper soaking load, so that hardness may decrease. But for the smaller part, the heat distribution will be even, it will happen evenly, so that it can have a hardness normal hardness, increase in the hardness. So these are the other factors. So this is the last part, which is known as tempering. Okay, hardening is tempering at 19 Celsius. Okay, we will not stop only with hardening. We will move on to the tempering as well, because very hard material cannot be used for any application. Very hard material cannot be used for any application. Okay, means that very hard material will grow very easily. Very hard material will grow very easily. So this type of hard material cannot be used very well. So that we are going to use the next process known as tempering process. Okay, means that in another example I can say, for our mobile phone we are using tempered glass. Glass is another hard material. If stress is applied on that, it will get break. Okay, it will get broken. If tempered glass is tempered glass, no, the thing is certainly different, right? From a normal glass, the property of the tempered glass is certainly different. This happens due to this tempering process. Tempered glass is somewhat flexible. As like this type of same thing are used in the refrigeration glasses. Okay, sometimes we are going in the glass top gas system. Glass top that is written as toughened glass and tempered glass. So the type of toughened or tempered glass is happen due to this type of tempering process. Okay, here the major thing is that every the glass or the hardened material will have hardness. Okay, and what is the hardness instead? Okay, hardness instead. But while doing this type of tempering process, we are going to have increase the ductility process, ductility property known as ductility. See, because by using this tempering process, we are going to reduce the hardness. Okay, at the meantime, toughness is going to increase, ductility is going to increase. Okay, so this is the main objective of this tempering process. So there are simple as we say. This is the tempering process. Okay, this is the different type of it's a triple diagram. See later. See, once the cooling is going to happen. See, once the heating is done around 8 and 9 degrees Celsius. Here we are going to suddenly cooling. So this particular process known as hardening process. Okay, this is the hardening process. Suddenly the transformation takes place. From there, the martensite is going to form. Hardened structure, martensite is formed. Okay, then we are going to again reheat the material for around 400 to 500 degrees Celsius. Hold it for some time. Again, if it is going to bring it down, this martensite is completely transformed to tempered martensite. So we can say this is the normal glass, this is the tempered glass. Hardness has been reduced. At the same way, ductility and toughness has been increased. Okay. So this is the this tempering process will helps to again it helps to increase the ductility and toughness and also decrease the hardness. Means that it is not going to reduce the hardness abruptly, but what to say, hardness is 100%. Okay, by using this tempering process, this hardness will bring out the